Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a boundary base boss base command is learn here. And guys, today discuss here a boundary boss base command is some advanced point is discussed here. And guys, boundary boss base command previous lecture is a some basic point, and today this lecture is a some advanced point learn here. Okay guys, at first open a Solidworks. Okay, this is our Solidworks interface, and two profile is already draw here, and some advanced point is a learn here. Okay, and some basic point is already draw here, and two plane is created at first, and then two geometry is drawing here one by one, and some advanced point is used here. Okay, at first select plane is a front plane and draw a normal. Okay, and at first this plane, this line, and press control, and this is a this line is a select here, and this is a convert entities. Okay, okay, and this again this line, and press control button, this line is select here, and this is a for construction geometry. Okay, select construction geometry, click OK. This is a construction geometry. Okay, okay, and some use a spline command is used, and this is a guide curve. Okay, and at first click a guide curve first, and then click OK. This is a OK, right click OK. This is a correct. This is a first guide curve, exit, and OK. Use a boundary boss base, and at first click this point first profile, and this is a second profile is click here, and this body is a drag here this. Okay, and OK, and guide curve is a first this. Okay, this is a click here. Okay, this body is a correct, and this is a twist, body is a correct. Okay, and click OK, but second guide curve is used here. Okay, undo is drag here, and again select a front plane and normal. Okay, and OK, this is a again use a spline command, and then use a this, and this point is click here, right click, select OK. This is a perfect, this is a OK, and exit. Okay, again select a boundary boss base and select a profile. First is a this profile. Okay, this is a profile, and second is a this profile. Okay, this is a correct, and again guide curve is a angle is also twist a angle is a correct, and guide curve is a first guide curve this, and second guide curve this. Okay, this is a body is perfect. Okay, okay, and okay, this is a this point is a normal to profile. Okay, this is a, and this point is a normal to profile. This is a some twist point is discuss here. Okay, this is a okay, body is okay, this is a correct. Okay, some advanced point is discussed here, and this point is a okay, this is a, and okay, this again select this, and again this is a normal to profile. This is a all 4 point is normal to profile is select here, and this is a okay, this is a correct, and this plane is hide. Okay, again this plane is also hide, because okay, this is a looking body is perfect. Okay, and some color is looking nice, and okay, color is okay, this is a color is so nice. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this color is a okay, this is a nice color, looking perfect. Okay, this is a color is very nice. Click okay, this is a perfect. Some advanced point is discussed here. This is a correct. Okay. Okay guys, lofted boundary boss base command is all basic and advanced point is discussed here. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay.